All right, we're out in Queen Creek. Just did a job with our outdoor roller shades. Nice little area here. And we did 3 of them to totally enclose this patio. Got all 3 of them on channel 4. So they'll all go down at once. As you can see, we can stop them wherever we want. And it totally blocks off the patio. Go ahead and put these back up. We also went ahead and programmed it so only 2 will go down at a time, because we had an extra channel. And you can see that one up there. And these. So we went ahead for the customer and programmed it on channel 5, so this one will stay, but those 2 will go down. And then we have another one, like I said before, for all 3 of them to go down. So as you see, we do have a little bit of a gap up on the top of that one. So we put some weather stripping up there. The stucco is just way not level. So you can see how much it closes this all in. All right, Charlie's your uncle.